Today we're going to be making a post-workout protein shake that my wife forces me to make, because if it were just me, I would just be drinking lemon water, but she really lays down the law, so I have to make this for her. So our ingredients are going to be frozen vanilla yogurt. This product, which I have no affiliation with, it's called Mutant Flex Food. It's kind of a meal replacement protein powder. And we'll use some, what you get, vitamin D milk and some peanut butter. And since this is vanilla, the yogurt's vanilla, and the milk is obviously vanilla, we're gonna put some Nestle's Quick in. So to do this, I like to use about 12 ounces of milk. If you don't put enough liquid in here, the ingredients will not blend up. So start there. And then this stuff is 25 grams of protein per scoop. So I like to put 2 scoops in. You're obviously going to get protein from the milk at about 1 gram per ounce. So that's about 12 grams of protein. Then we're going to add 2 scoops of this, which is going to add another 50. So there's 62 grams of protein. And then because it's all vanilla, we'll dump in the chocolate, as I mentioned. I don't measure that, I just put a little bit in there to make it better flavor. And then we'll do some frozen yogurt. A couple of big scoops of this. You could use non-fat if you choose, but I'm trying to get rid of all the artificial sugars, so we'll just suck up the calories. And then I don't measure the peanut butter either. I just put a couple big globs in here. And always be sure to lick your fingers.
And your fork. I mean your knife.
What the fork are you talking about? Okay, now I like to put a little ice in. Okay, let's blend. Okay, we're going to be blending in our Blendtec 800 semi-commercial series blender. I like this one because you can close the lid and it makes it much quieter. And I'll demonstrate to you how obnoxiously loud it is if you don't have the lid. So I like to start it on low just to get everything starting to mix, and then I turn it up to high. For about 30 seconds. And this is what it sounds like if you don't close the lid. That's that. Let's see how it turned out.
Yummy.
Okay, one for you and then one for me.
No, that's the other way around.
And that's it.
Cheers.